Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the class. So here we are going to discuss top 100 MCQs from 11 to 20th May. 1 से 10 मई का हम कर चुके थे, right? Before moving ahead, I want you to please confirm क्या text clearly visible है? Is there any problem with the video or audio? All good? All right. Just a second. All right then. So first question in front of you. All right. First question. In which month of 2025 did India's retail inflation ease to 3.16 year on year, which is lowest since July 2019. अभी अभी CA में हमने किया था as per the CPI. कौन से मंथ में जो CPI बेस्ड इन्फ्लेशन है आपका लोएस्ट था ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस पे? अगर हम देखें इट वाज लोएस्ट. टेल मी, सिंस जुलाई 2019 इट वाज लोएस्ट. Very good. The correct answer will be April. Right. April. Option A is the right answer here. April is the right answer. April में आपका 3.16 था. Next question. As part of the proposed regulatory relaxations for FPIs investing solely in Indian government bonds under the voluntary retention route and fully accessible route, SEBI suggested easing compliance norms for a new category called IGB FPIs. Currently, what is the maximum percentage contribution allowed by NRIs, OCI, RIs in an FPI which SEBI proposes to relax? तो current क्या cap है? Question number 2. Everyone. So here if you see, currently it is 25 and 50%, right? Yes, anyone? 25% per investor and 50% in aggregate. Yes, absolutely right, Nitya. 25% per investor and 50% in total or aggregate. So D is the right option here. 25% per investor and 50% in aggregate. D will be the answer. Next question. Recently discussed, which process-based fintech company recently received final approval from RBI to operate as online payment aggregator under PSA 2007? Online payment aggregator के लिए किसको approval मिला है recently, which is a process-backed company, fintech company? Well done, everyone. This is something you all remember. PayU is the right answer. Option C. Next question. India recently has rolled out $50 million treasury bill to provide financial assistance amid looming debt crisis to which maritime neighbor? An important partner under the Mahasagar Initiative or Neighborhood First Vision. Which country? The correct answer will be Maldives. Option E. Very good. Yes. और इसको सब्सक्राइब किसने किया था? SBI ने. Well done, right? तो Maldives आपको ध्यान रखना है और SBI यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है. Next question. Which company has deployed India's first hydrogen-powered truck for mining logistics in Chhattisgarh, equipped with smart technology and designed to carry 40 tons of cargo over 200 kilometers? Yes, Adani Enterprises. A is the right option here. Well done, everyone. Next question. Which Indian state topped the country in 24-25 in implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises Scheme? कौन से स्टेट ने, इंडियन स्टेट ने टॉप किया है in the implementation of Pradhan Mantri formalization of micro food processing scheme? Yes, we have covered this thing in the top 5 MCQs as well. Bihar will be your right answer. Option B, Bihar. Next question. Pradhan Mantri formalization of micro food processing enterprises scheme under which Bihar has secured the top position is operational during which period and involves a total financial outlay of how much? तो इसका tenure और outlay दोनों चीजें आपको बतानी है. क्या टेन्योर है और क्या आउटले है? The correct answer here will be 2020 से 26 and 10,000 crores will be the outlay. Option E यहाँ पर आपका सही आंसर होगा. Yes, 10,000 crores है और 2020 से 2026 आपको याद रखना है tenure और outlay. Okay, E will be the right answer here. Next question. Question number 8. Okay, let's read the question first. युवा मेरा युवा भारत पोर्टल के बारे में है. इट इज एन ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी अंडर विच यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंटल लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स फॉर यूथ लॉन्च्ड ऑन 31 अक्टूबर 2023. ठीक है, तो ये बताइए कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री एसोसिएटेड है विद मेरा युवा भारत इनिशिएटिव? विच मिनिस्ट्री हैज लॉन्च्ड दिस? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेयर्स. वेल डन, वेरी गुड. Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. Okay, so the correct answer will be option C. Yes, absolutely. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has launched this Mera Bharat Yuva portal. Next one. India's major ports have achieved approximately 855 million tons of cargo handling in financial year 24-25. What was the annual growth rate in cargo handling over financial year 23-24? Sorry. What was the annual growth rate in cargo handling? The annual growth rate was 4.3%, 4% or 4.3%. 4.3% will be the, yes, the 4.3% will be the correct answer here. Option D, 4.3%. Next one. Which two major ports in India have crossed the milestone of handling 150 million tons of cargo in financial year 24-25 for the first time? दोनों ports का नाम, you must be remembering them. Which two ports are there? Yes, Paradip Port Authority and Deen Dayal Port Authority. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 11. Where are India's first 3 nanometer chip design centers inaugurated by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav located? तो ये कहां पर है? 2 जगह हैं, अभी अभी हमने कवर किया था. कौन सी 2 जगह पर? They have been established. Very good everyone, well done. तो आपको याद है नोएडा एंड बेंगलोर. ऑप्शन बी विल बी द राइट आंसर हियर, नोएडा एंड बेंगलोर. Which date has the government of India designated to celebrate Ayurveda Day every year, coinciding with the autumnal equinox, where day and night are nearly equal? So the date will be absolutely correct, 23rd September. Well done, 23rd September. Option E will be the right answer here. Next question. Which organization has signed an MOU with Synergy Quantum for developing drone-based quantum key distribution systems using decoy-based BB84 protocol? तो किसने साइन किया है recently? If you remember, C dot, absolutely. C dot is the right answer. Option C. Okay, option C and C dot. Well done. Next question. Which 2 states have jointly agreed to implement Tapti Basin Mega Recharge Project, which involves diverting water from the Tapti river originating in the state of Madhya Pradesh to the northeastern Maharashtra? यहाँ पर you can see the answer itself is in the question. So Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Absolutely. Option D will be the right answer. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Next one. Who became the first Indian lawyer to receive prestigious Medal of Honor from World Jurist Association at the World Law Congress 2025? ये भी हमने किया था. The correct answer is Bhuvan Ribhu. Yes, option A. Remember, Bhuvan Ribhu. Next question. Who has been appointed as 52nd Chief Justice of India, replacing Sanjeev Khanna, and is the first Buddhist and second Dalit to hold this position? Very good. You have B.R. Gavai, Justice B.R. Gavai. Option D will be the right answer here. Justice B.R. Gavai. What is the theme of 8th UN Global Road Safety Week 2025? ग्लोबल रोड सेफ्टी वीक का थीम क्या है 2025 में? The theme is make walking safe, hashtag make walking safe, hashtag make cycling safe. ठीक है, तो E आपका यहाँ पर सही आंसर होगा. ये थीम आप याद रखेंगे. Yes, option E will be the right answer. Next question. India's outward FDI nearly doubled up to how much in April 2025 according to RBI data? In the month of April कितना डबल हुआ है? It has doubled up to 6.8 billion US dollars. Yes, option D will be right answer here. 6.8 billion dollars. Next one. On which date are RTAs required to disclose complaint-related data on their website as per SEBI's updated investor charter? SEBI का जो updated investor charter है, उसके basis पे बताइए. And you know this thing, 7th of each month, right? Option A. Well done. 7th of each month. Next question. Which company has increased its stake in Bank of India to 8.38% by May 2025? कौन सी कंपनी ने बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में अपना स्टेक अभी इतना बढ़ाया है? None other than the LIC. ये भी रिसेंटली हमने कवर किया था, राइट? LIC. फिगर भी आप याद रखेंगे, 8.38%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the updated composition requirement for the internal audit team of credit rating agencies as per the latest guideline by SEBI? Yes, so here if you see at least one chartered accountant, right, or a cost accountant and a certified information system auditor, right? So B will be your right answer here. Option B. Which Mongolian bank recently has partnered with TCS to modernize its core digital banking operations using TCS Bank's trademark platform? Khan Bank. Very good. Option C is the right answer. Khan Bank. Well done. काफी रिविजन किया है आप लोगों ने. बहुत क्विक और सही आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. I must appreciate all of you. Keep going like this. Next question. Which Indian bank has entered the global top 100 list of most profitable companies with a net worth of $9.2 billion in financial year 2025? Very good. Again, SBI. Option E is the right answer. Well done. SBI, remember. ठीक है? SBI. ये सबको ध्यान रखना है. बहुत important fact है. SBI now is the top 100 list of most profitable companies. State Bank of India. Next one. Which Indian company became the first to post a net worth exceeding 10 trillion rupees after securing $2.9 billion dual currency loan in May 2025? Dual currency loan से आप लोगों को याद आया जापानीज येन और डॉलर्स में डिनोमिनेटेड है. कौन सी कंपनी है? Tell me. Reliance Industries, right? Reliance Industries. Option D will be the right answer. Reliance Industries. इसमें कुछ पार्ट आपका येन में डिनोमिनेटेड था और कुछ डॉलर्स में, दैट्स वाई ड्वेल करेंसी लोन हमने इसको बोला है. नेक्स्ट, in which Indian state is the newly approved HCL Foxconn semiconductor unit under India Semiconductor Mission being set up? ये कहां सेटअप हो रही है? यूपी. यूपी इज द राइट आंसर है, उत्तर प्रदेश में. ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी आपका सही आंसर है, आप याद रखेंगे, उत्तर प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट वन, what is the name of India's first manned submersible vehicle designed for deep ocean missions up to 6,000 meters expected to be launched by end of 2026? Recently हमने कवर किया था समुद्र, जलधारा, मत्स्य, समुद्रयान, मेघतारा. The correct answer is very good, मत्स्य, right? Option C, मत्स्य is the right answer. Next question. Union government has approved additional 2.8 million tons of Food Corporation of India rice for ethanol production, right? You have to tell me what is the government's target for ethanol blending in petrol by ethanol supply year 25-26. कितना परसेंट हमने टारगेट किया है ethanol blending? 20%. Well done. So your correct answer will be option D. You must remember this, 20% ethanol blending by 25-26. Next question. What is the revised minimum selling price MSP of jute per quintal recently announced by Jute Corporation of India for the crop year 25-26? जूट का revised price क्या है, MSP क्या है? It is 5. Yes, quickly tell me. जूट का revised MSP. I know the figures are quite confusing. The correct answer will be 5650. एक सेकेंड. हाँ, 5650. ठीक है, हाँ. You know, I also sometimes tend to forget the figures. So, anyway, 5650, option A will be the right answer. Remember this thing, all right? Next one. Next question. Where is India's largest conservation reserve? बहुत ही recently हमने cover किया है सारकचू conservation reserve, which was notified, to conserve snow leopards located. कहाँ पर located है ये? सारकचू कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व रिसेंटली हमने कवर किया है. इट इज लोकेटेड इन दी, यस टेल मी क्विकली, स्पीति वैली. यस, स्पीति वैली, हिमाचल प्रदेश. ठीक है, लार्जेस्ट कंजर्वेशन रिजर्व हिमाचल प्रदेश, स्पीति वैली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. गेल इंडिया हैज साइंड एन MOU विद विच स्टेट government to explore renewable energy projects with a total capacity of 1 gigawatt. रिसेंटली गेल इंडिया ने कौन सी गवर्नमेंट के साथ साइन किया था? ये कर्नाटका. यहां पर आपका सही आंसर होगा कर्नाटका. ओके, ऑप्शन ई, कर्नाटका के साथ साइन किए थे बहुत सारे MOUs फॉर these developments. Then which IIT has partnered with Energy Systems Catapult UK to work on net zero innovation and sustainability recently? Catapult के साथ किसने कोलैबोरेट किया है recently? IIT Madras. Okay, remember this. Option A, IIT Madras here will be the right answer. Next one. Tata Consultancy Services has secured which rank in the Kantar Brands Most Valuable Global Brands 2025 report? Recently अभी आउट हुई थी. TCS का यहाँ पर रैंक क्या है? Tell me everyone. TCS का रैंक है 45th. Okay, option B. Yes, 45th will be the right answer. 45th rank है TCS का, याद रखना है. Next one. According to SIDBI report on MSME sector, what is the estimated credit gap that needs to be bridged to support MSME, especially women-owned and services MSME? कितना credit gap है? You must remember the credit gap is 30 lakh crores. Option E will be the right answer here. 30 lakh crores. Okay. Yes. Next one. According to SIDBI report, what was the share of MSMEs in India's GVA in 22-23, indicating their growing contribution to the national economy? The correct answer here will be 30.1%. ऑप्शन सी यहां पर आपका सही होगा, 30.1% आप याद रखेंगे। According to SIDBI report, exports from MSMEs in India have seen substantial growth. What was the export value from MSME in financial year 24-25? 24-25 में MSMEs के export का value क्या था? This can be important. So it was, tell me. Here, very good. 12.39 lakh crores. Option A will be right answer. 12.39 lakh crores. Next question. According to 2025 Global Report on Internal Displacement, which South Asian country recorded highest figure of internal displacement with 2/3 of displacement caused by floods? कौन सी country में सबसे ज़्यादा displacement हुआ है? It is none other than India, right? India has witnessed highest internal displacement and maximum due to floods. Yes. Next one. According to 2025 Global Report on Internal Displacement, which Indian state is most vulnerable to climate change and recorded highest flood displacement? State कौन सा था? State था आपका Assam. Yes, option A will be right answer here. Assam में maximum displacement था according to the same report. Next one. Who among the following Indian sports persons was awarded the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in Territorial Army by Ministry of Defence recently? It has been awarded to Neeraj Chopra. Option D. Yes, Neeraj Chopra. Javelin boy. Yes. आप लोग आंसर ऐसे करते हो जैसे आप ही के आपका फ्रेंड ही है ना? चोपड़ा, जेवलिन बॉय. Okay, anyway, Neeraj Chopra. All right, next question. Who has been elected as Prime Minister of Albania for the 4th consecutive term? लगातार चौथी बार, बताइए. अपॉइंटमेंट्स में ये हमने कवर किया है, पीडीएफ में भी दिया हुआ है आपको. एडी रामा. ओके, ये नाम आपको ध्यान रखना है. कॉन्सिक्यूटिवली फॉर द 4th टर्म अल्बानियन प्रेसिडेंट एडी रामा. यस, बी, ये नाम आपको ध्यान रखना है, एडी रामा. नेक्स्ट वन. Which city is hosting Inclusive India Summit organized by Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities on Global Accessibility Awareness Day? कौन सी सिटी ने ये सबमिट रिसेंटली ऑर्गेनाइज की थी? ये आपका वेरी गुड, न्यू दिल्ली में ही हुआ था. ऑप्शन डी विल बी राइट आंसर, न्यू दिल्ली. यस, न्यू दिल्ली. नेक्स्ट वन. What is the growth rate forecast for India in 2026 according to United Nations World Economic Situation and Prospects report as of mid-2025? Very important question. Tell me what is the forecast here. So the forecast for India here will be 6.4%. Okay, option B. 6.4%. 6.4 आपको ध्यान रखना. Next question. What new rating scale has SEBI introduced for municipal bonds? Municipal bonds के लिए एक नई रेटिंग स्केल आई है, हमने क्लास में डिस्कस की थी. टेल मी नाम क्या है उसका. मैंने आपको बताया भी था कि लॉस की बेसिस पे हम इसको असेस करेंगे कि लॉस होने पर कितना उसका वैल्यू गिर जाएगा. वेल डन एवरीवन. एक्सपेक्टेड लॉस बेस्ड रेटिंग स्केल, ऑप्शन ई, राइट. एक्सपेक्टेड लॉस बेस्ड रेटिंग स्केल. वेल डन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. India and which country or which entity have launched 391 crore projects to tackle marine plastic litter and waste to green hydrogen under India EU Trade and Technology Council? कौन सी entity के साथ ये इंडिया ने साइन किया है? So you can guess this on the basis of the question itself. European Union. Yes, European Union. Option A. Next question. Which exercise does Indian Army conduct at Teesta Field Firing Range in West Bengal recently? Teesta Abhyas, Teesta Prahar, Teesta Kiran, Vajra Prahar, etc. हाँ, कई बार क्वेश्चन में ही आंसर होता है, बट हम प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड कई बार हम उस पर थोड़ा सा चूक जाते हैं उसकी वजह से. ठीक है. सो वी शुड बी वेरी मच प्रेजेंट इन द एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, नॉट फिजिकली बट मेंटली एज वेल. मतलब फिजिकली तो है ही, नॉट फिजिकली का मतलब है फिजिकल तो हो ही, वहां बैठ के आप पेपर दे रहे हो, लेकिन मेंटली भी प्रेजेंट होना है। कई बार बहुत कॉमन सेंसिकल होता है आंसर, क्वेश्चन से यू कैन गेस इट, राइट। वेरी गुड, तीसरा प्रहार, ऑप्शन बी विल बी दी राइट आंसर, तीसरा प्रहार। चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनिसेफ रिपोर्ट कार्ड 19, child well-being in an unpredictable world, which three countries ranked in top third across all three key dimensions, सारे mental well-being, physical health, skills, इनमें कौन सी 3 countries ने टॉप किया है? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो हियर यहाँ हमारा जो करेक्ट आंसर है नेदरलैंड्स, डेनमार्क एंड फ्रांस, ऑप्शन ई विल बी द राइट आंसर। आपको ध्यान रखना है नेदरलैंड्स, डेनमार्क एंड फ्रांस, यस एब्सोल्युटली ई इज द राइट आंसर, इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, at the 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games, which featured 27 sports, what was the official mascot? 7th India एडिशन ऑफ खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स का मैस्कट क्या था, ये आप बताएंगे। मैस्कट था गज सिम्हा, वेरी गुड एवरीवन, गज सिम्हा। इसकी आप लोगों को फोटो याद होगी, है ना, हमने डिस्कस की थी। तो फोटो से मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं रिटेंशन इंप्रूव हो रहा है सबका, पीपीटीज में जो हम फोटो यूज करते हैं, इलस्ट्रेशन यूज करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, हु रिसेंटली बिकेम इंडियाज 86th चेस ग्रैंड मास्टर, बस इसी से बता दीजिए फटाफट, 86th चेस ग्रैंड मास्टर। Yes everyone, L.R. Srihari, L.R. Srihari, option A will be the right answer. L.R. Srihari from Tamil Nadu became India's 86th Grand Master in 2025. Next one, who was recently appointed as chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry, which is an organization promoting cooperation among BRICS nations through trade and business development. तो इसका कौन अभी चेयरमैन बना है recently? Your correct answer here will be, yes, very good, Harvansh Chawla. Okay, Harvansh Chawla, option D. Next question, what was the theme of International Day of Families? International Day of Families observed on 15th May 2025. Family-oriented policies for sustainable development towards the Second World Summit for Social Development. Yes, E is the right answer here. Next question, which country has displaced Japan to become the most preferred equity market in the Asia-Pacific region according to latest fund manager survey by BofA Securities? It is our own country, India. Option B is the right answer. Absolutely, India. Next one, which bank was recently fined with 29.6 lakh rupees by RBI for non-compliance with the directions on financial statement presentation and disclosure? इसके लिए इन्होंने फाइन किया था फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट डिस्क्लोजर से रिलेटेड नॉन कॉम्प्लायंस के लिए येस बैंक, ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर है। ठीक है, येस बैंक को फाइन किया था, येस बैंक। नेक्स्ट वन, which prestigious Indian institute has recently announced establishment of first overseas campus in Dubai? अभी अभी अनाउंस किया है दुबई में अपना ओवरसीज कैंपस, किसने अनाउंस किया है? वेरी गुड, IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, option B will be the right answer here, IIFT. Next question, which ministry has launched the Ek Desh Ek Dhadkan initiative to honor the brave hearts of the nation? एक देश एक धड़कन, it has been launched by Ministry of Culture. ठीक है, Ministry of Culture ने लॉन्च किया है इसको, Ministry of Culture is the right answer, option E, Ministry of Culture. Next one, what is the new reduced minimum efficiency threshold for solar modules used in off-grid rural projects as per Ministry of New and Renewable Energy? तो नया थ्रेशहोल्ड जो है हमने क्लास में डिस्कस किया था, यहाँ पर आपका सही आंसर होगा, बिल्कुल सही आंसर है 18%, ऑप्शन ए Well done everyone. 18%. Next one. A new NASA study using data from GRAIL mission has revealed why moon's near side and far side, look so different. You have to tell me, when was this GRAIL, Gravity Recovery and Interior Laboratory mission launched? कब लॉन्च किया था नासा ने ये ग्रेल मिशन? ग्रेल का फुल फॉर्म आप याद रखेंगे, ठीक है, इफ नॉट ईयर, सो 2011 में इसको लॉन्च किया था. 11, ओके, 2011. नेक्स्ट वन. Which organization has released Global EV Outlook 2025 report highlighting trends in EV adoption worldwide? वेरी गुड. इंटरनेशनल एनर्जी एजेंसी, IEA ने ये लॉन्च की है, इंटरनेशनल एनर्जी एजेंसी. नेक्स्ट वन. हु वन द सुपर बैट चेस क्लासिक हेल्ड इन रोमानिया इन 2024? किसने जीता है ये? आर वेरी ओन आर प्रज्ञानंदा, राइट? ऑप्शन डी, यस, आर प्रज्ञानंदा. नेक्स्ट वन. Who has won the men's javelin throw event at Doha Diamond League 2025? Doha Diamond League में किसने जीता है ये इवेंट? The correct answer will be Julian Weber. Yes, Julian Weber. Option A. Next one. Which Indian Institute of Technology recently launched flagship step mentorship program Manasvi for high school girls in exploring careers in science and tech? कौन सी IIT ने recently मनस्वी लॉन्च किया है? IIT Delhi. Option D. IIT Delhi is the right answer here. Yes, IIT Delhi. Effective from which date will the SEBI guidelines aiming at enhancing transparency in corporate bond database by simplifying the yield to price computation on request for quote platform and mandating disclosure of interest, dividend, redemption, cash flows be implemented? कौन सी डेट से ये सब इंप्लीमेंट हो रहा है? RFQ प्लेटफॉर्म रिसेंटली हमने डिस्कस किया था, बताइए. The correct answer here will be request for quote platform. याद है आप लोगों को? तो इसका डेट आपका है 18 अगस्त 2025. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है, 18 अगस्त 2025. ऑप्शन सी विल बी द राइट आंसर हियर. नेक्स्ट वन. Which bank has signed an MOU with the AIC Spinnext, a special purpose vehicle of Software Parks of India under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to provide financial solutions and mentorship to early stage startups and MSMEs? The correct answer will be IndusInd Bank. यहाँ पर आपका IndusInd Bank ने साइन किया है, ये ध्यान रखना है. ऑप्शन ए, IndusInd Bank. Next one. Which company has inaugurated India's largest 13.2 megawatt wind gearbox and powertrain test rig at Coimbatore facility? रिसेंटली हमने कवर किया है, बताइए किसने लॉन्च किया है 13.2 megawatt wind gearbox which is India's largest such gearbox? Very good. The correct answer is ZF Wind Power. Option E. ZF Wind Power. Next one. Which ministry has launched Sagar Mein Samman initiative? Sagar Mein Samman, aiming at 12% female representation in technical maritime roles by 2030. Sagar Mein Samman initiative has been launched by Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Option B. Yes, ports, shipping and water. Next one. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade signed an MOU with which organization to support early stage climate tech startup funding? Recently इसको हमने कवर किया है, किसके साथ साइन किया है? DPIIT ने ये MOU, ये DPIIT ने आपका साइन किया है Global Energy Alliance for People and Planet. Okay. Global Energy Alliance for People and Planet. Option A. Next one. Which company has partnered with Bhutan's Druk Holding an investment to construct Bhutan's largest 500 megawatt solar power plant? किस कंपनी ने साइन किया है भूटान के इस सोलर पावर प्लांट के डेवलपमेंट के लिए? इट इज रिलायंस पावर, ऑप्शन डी। यस, मोटा भाई, रिलायंस पावर। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्लोबल रिपोर्ट ऑन फूड क्राइसिस रिलीज्ड बाय फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, how many people faced high levels of acute food insecurity in 53 out of 65 countries recently? So this is your 295.3 million, option D, 295.3 million. Next one, where was first edition of Khelo India Beach Games held from 19 to 24th May? ठीक है, फर्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ खेलो इंडिया बीच गेम्स आपको बताना है कहां पर हुआ है। नहीं, सब जगह रिलायंस भी सही नहीं होगा मुकुंद, काफी जगह अडानी भी है, ठीक है, बी वेरी केयरफुल। you know you have to choose on which boat you are sailing because you know the past records, everyone knows that all right, so anyway, बताइए कहाँ हुआ था? दीव में हुआ था, वेरी गुड, ऑप्शन ए, दीव विल बी दी राइट आंसर, दमन एंड दीव वाला दीव। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which country has won 2025 CEF Under-19 football championship held in Arunachal Pradesh by defeating Bangladesh in the finals? तो सेफ अंडर-19 फुटबॉल चैंपियनशिप इंडिया ने ही जीती है, ऑप्शन सी, डिफीटिंग बांग्लादेश, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट वन, द ब्रिक्स 2025 एनर्जी मिनिस्टर्स मीटिंग जिसका थीम था एम्पावरिंग ग्लोबल साउथ कोऑपरेशन वाज हेल्ड recently in which country, which also assumed the BRICS chairmanship on 1st January 2025 with India represented by Union Minister Manohar Lal? कौन सी कंट्री ने चेयरमैनशिप रिसेंटली ली है? उसी से आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा, ब्राजील, ऑफ कोर्स, ऑप्शन बी, ब्राजील विल बी द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट वन, which country has joined BRICS grouping in 2025 after Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran and UAE were added? तो latest country to join the BRICS, tell me, latest country to join the BRICS, ये मैंने आपको क्लासेस में ही इतना याद करा दिया है, you cannot forget this one. Indonesia, of course, right? Indonesia is the right answer, option D. Next one, what was the theme of International Day for Women in Maritime observed on 18th May? अभी जो ऑब्जर्व किया है हमने 18th मई को, जो इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर वुमेन था, उसका थीम क्या था, ये आप मुझे बताएंगे। थीम था, बताइए, थीम वाज an ocean of opportunities for women, okay, and ocean of opportunities for women, option B is the right answer here, ocean of opportunities for women. Next one, during BRICS 2025 energy ministers meeting held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, the bloc reaffirmed its expanding membership. What is the full form of BRICS, which originally comprised 5 emerging economies? ओके, तो फुल फॉर्म आपको बताना है, बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है ये, ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका, यू ऑल नो दिस राइट, ब्राजील, रशिया, इंडिया, चाइना, साउथ अफ्रीका। नेक्स्ट वन, द गवर्नमेंट ई मार्केटप्लेस GEM, India's national public procurement portal, recently celebrated 8th incorporation day into the Companies Act, right? So you have to tell me in which year GEM was incorporated. GEM was incorporated in 2017. यहां पर हम इनकॉर्पोरेशन की जो बात कर रहे हैं, आपको ध्यान रखना है, इनकॉर्पोरेशन इन दी कंपनीज एक्ट, राइट? यस, इनकॉर्पोरेशन इन दी कंपनीज एक्ट, नॉट दी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट। सो 2017 आपका यहां पर आंसर होगा। Next one, which company recently became first cryptocurrency exchange, very very important, to be included in S&P 500 index, replacing Discover Financial Services? Yes, it is your Coinbase. इसका नाम क्या है? Coinbase. Option D, Coinbase. Next one, RBI recently granted in principle approval to which foreign bank for setting up a wholly owned subsidiary in India under the scheme for setting up of WOS by foreign banks? किसको अभी अभी अप्रूवल मिला है? ये आपका मिला है, वेरी गुड, एमिरेट्स एनबीडी बैंक. नेक्स्ट वन, under the RBI's scheme for setting up wholly owned subsidiary by foreign banks in India, what is the minimum initial paid up voting equity capital required for WOS and how must this capital be funded? कितना मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है और इसका फंडिंग कैसे होना चाहिए? सो यहां पर आपका करेक्ट आंसर है 5 billion rupees and funded entirely by free foreign exchange remittances from the parent bank. Yes, absolutely easy, right option, 5 billion rupees. Next one, which of the following statements about RBI's scheme for setting up of wholly owned subsidiaries is or are correct? इसमें से करेक्ट कौन सा है ये आपको बताना है. रीड दी स्टेटमेंट्स केयरफुली. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, आई नो. तो बेसिकली इनमें से कोई सा भी सही नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई सा भी सही नहीं है. पहला अगर आप देखोगे, फाइनल डिसीजन टू ग्रांट लाइसेंस विल बी दैट ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस. नो, इट विल बी ऑफ RBI. नेक्स्ट वन, कैपिटल रिजर्व्स ऑफ द फॉरेन बैंक्स in India exceed 10%? No, 20%. 20%. As per RBI licenses for new foreign banks may be denied? No, as per WTO norms. As per WTO norms, these are there, right? And then WOS shall meet the Basel 1 requirement? नहीं, Basel 1 कब का हो चुका? Basel 3, okay? Basel 3. तो सारे ही आपके गलत हैं. Yes. तो यहां पर आपका जो सही आंसर होगा वो होगा none of the above, only E, ठीक है? Only is the right answer, none of the above is the correct answer. All right, moving ahead. RBI recently issued revised guidelines regarding investments by regulated entities in AIF. Okay, according to the new guidelines, what is the maximum percentage of an AI scheme corpus that a single RE can contribute? Single RE कितना contribute कर सकता है? Single RE का contribution है आपका 10%. Very good, 10%, right? Option D, 10% is the right answer. Next question. According to Reserve Bank of India's revised guidelines on investment by RE in AIF, what is the collective maximum investment allowed by all REs in a single AIF scheme? एक पूरी स्कीम में सारे मिलके कितना कर सकते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट? एक स्कीम में 15%. Very good. Option E will be the right answer here. Option E, 15%. Next one. Under RBI's revised guidelines on investment, what percentage of AIF schemes corpus can a single RE invest without any restriction? Without restriction कितना allowed है? 5%, right? 5%. Option A, 5% without restriction. Next one. According to RBI's revised guidelines on investment by AIF, what is the provision requirement of if an RE's investment exceeds 5% of the corpus and AIF scheme has a downstream debt investment. मैंने आपको बताया था अगर वो AIF स्कीम बैंक की ही किसी ऐसी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है जिसका लोन वापस नहीं आया तो कितना प्रोविजन रखना पड़ेगा? 100%. वेरी गुड, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. तो बिना ऑप्शन के ही आप लोग बता सकते हैं 100% provisioning will be there on the proportionate exposure. Next one, according to SEBI's new guidelines for market infrastructure institutions, how many audit verticals must be audited at least once every year by an independent audit firm? Here, the correct answer will be 3 verticals, right? 3 verticals. Option A. 3 verticals. Yes, 3 verticals. Next one. Critical operations, regulatory compliance, risk management and other functions like business development. तो 3 vertical है. Next one. Which cooperative bank's license recently was cancelled by RBI for non-compliance with Banking Regulation Act 1945? किसका कैंसिल किया था रिसेंटली? बताइए. HCBL कोऑपरेटिव बैंक लिमिटेड लखनऊ. HCBL, ठीक है. HCBL इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. ऑप्शन डी, लखनऊ. नेक्स्ट वन. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has launched new Overseas Citizen of India portal. When was this OCI scheme introduced through an amendment to the Citizenship Act? OCI स्कीम आपकी आई थी 2005 में, ठीक है. 2005 में आई थी OCI स्कीम. यस. Which ministry introduced E0 FIR initiative to accelerate registration of FIR for cyber crime और cyber financial crimes? Recently हमने कवर किया है E0 FIR. किसने लॉन्च किया है? Ministry of Home Affairs. Home Affairs. Absolutely. Ministry of Home Affairs. Next one. Which disease has India been certified by WHO as eliminated, as a public health problem at 78th World Health Assembly which happened in Geneva? कौन से डिजीज के लिए सर्टिफिकेट मिला है एलिमिनेशन के लिए? ट्रैकोमा. वेरी गुड. ऑप्शन बी, ट्रैकोमा. नेक्स्ट वन. Which organization introduced mixed green manure kits containing crops like कैसे नाम है ये? ढाइंचा, सुनहैम, मेज एंड मैरीगोल्ड टू प्रमोट इको फ्रेंडली सॉइल एनरिचमेंट इन इंडिया. बताइए किसने लॉन्च किया है? आपका आंसर होगा नेशनल सीड कॉर्पोरेशन. ऑप्शन डी, राइट. नेशनल सीड्स कॉर्पोरेशन. नेक्स्ट वन. Which state government launched India's first Vistadome jungle safari train connecting Katarani Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve? कौन से स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने सबसे पहला ये सफारी लॉन्च किया है? बताइए. The correct answer will be UP again. उत्तर प्रदेश. काफी अच्छे अच्छे इनिशिएटिव्स यूपी से निकल के आ रहे हैं. यूपी आपका यहाँ पर सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When has the world's first AI-powered medical clinic featuring AI system Dr. Hua been launched in partnership with Almusa Health Group? Yes, तो एक AI-powered clinic लॉन्च हुआ है. कहाँ पर लॉन्च हुआ है पता है आप सबको? बताइए. AI-powered clinic सऊदी अरेबिया में लॉन्च हुआ है. ठीक है, सऊदी अरेबिया. ऑप्शन बी. Uber has partnered with which platform to potentially launch metro ticketing and B2B logistics services? इसके लिए Uber ने किसके साथ पार्टनरशिप की है? Uber ने पार्टनरशिप की है ONDC. वेरी गुड. ONDC. ऑप्शन ए. Next question. Which bank has joined hands with DPIIT to offer credit, loans and collateral-free funding to startups, supporting India's goal of becoming a global innovation hub? कौन से बैंक ने साइन किया है ये आपका साइन किया है इंडस इंड बैंक. ओके, ऑप्शन सी विल बी द राइट आंसर हियर. इंडस इंड बैंक आप याद रखेंगे, इंडस इंड बैंक. नेक्स्ट वन, the Shirui Lily festival celebrated from May 20 to 24 commemorates 75th year of discovery. कौन से स्टेट में ये ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है, सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है शिरोई लिली फेस्टिवल? इसका मैंने आपको इमेज भी दिया था कंटेंट में, इफ यू रिमेंबर. कौन सा स्टेट है बताइए? मणिपुर. वेरी गुड. द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी मणिपुर, ऑप्शन डी. Manipur में it is celebrated Shiroi Lily festival. Next one. What was the theme of 2025 annual conference of vice chancellors of agricultural universities and directors of ICAR institutes held in New Delhi? तो यहां पर आपका थीम था Convergence for Action, Shaping Agricultural Research, Education and Extension for Viksit Bharat at 2047. Very good. Next one. Under which section was the GEM incorporated, which recently has celebrated its 8th incorporation day in the Companies Act? कौन से सेक्शन में incorporate किया है? You all know it is not for profit organization, section 8. Yes, B is the right option, section 8. Under which section of Banking Regulation Act 1949 did RBI cancel the license of HCBL? तो HCBL का जो लाइसेंस कैंसिल किया है ये कौन से सेक्शन के थ्रू कैंसिल किया है? It has been cancelled under section 11 clause 1 and section 22 clause 3 subclause D, read with section 56 of Banking Regulation Act 1949. ऑप्शन E आपका सही आंसर है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Operation Olivia, aimed at protecting the endangered olive ridley turtles and preserving India's maritime ecosystem, is conducted by which of the following? Operation Olivia किसने कंडक्ट किया है या कौन करता है? Operation Olivia is conducted by Indian Coast Guard. Option D. Okay, Indian Coast Guard. Yes. Next one. What is the financial loss threshold limit for complaints to be automatically converted into FIRs under MHA's I4C E0 FIR initiative? कौन से थ्रेशोल्ड को क्रॉस करते ही वो FIR में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी? जल्दी बताइए. ये अभी रिसेंटली हमने कवर किया था 10 लाख. ओके, 10 लाख रुपीज. वेरी गुड, 10 लाख रुपीज. नेक्स्ट वन. व्हाट वाज द थीम ऑफ 78th वर्ल्ड हेल्थ असेंबली इन जेनेवा? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ असेंबली की जो मीटिंग हुई है उसका थीम क्या था? द थीम वाज वन वर्ल्ड फॉर हेल्थ. वन वर्ल्ड फॉर हेल्थ. ऑप्शन बी विल बी द राइट आंसर हियर. यस, वन वर्ल्ड फॉर हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which life insurance company has SBM Bank India partnered with to offer a range of life insurance products to its customer? तो बैंक इंश्योरेंस पार्टनरशिप है आपका. ये आपका साइन किया है ICICI प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस के साथ. ठीक है, ICICI. वेरी गुड, प्रूडेंशियल लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे. Who was M.R. Srinivasan, who recently passed away, best known for? So this is from obituary. किस चीज के लिए जाने जाते थे? Who was M.R. Srinivasan? Absolutely, former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. Option D will be the right answer. Former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. Right, everyone. तो ये आपके टॉप 100 MCQs थे फॉर 11 to 20th में. काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स था आप सबका. आई मस्ट अप्रिशिएट ऑल ऑफ यू. बहुत क्विक और बहुत एक्यूरेसी से आंसर्स आपने किए. दैट शोज यू आर रिवाइजिंग. सो कीप इट अप, कीप अप द पेस. आप ऐसे ही रिविजन करते रहेंगे तो इट वुड बी अ केक वॉक फॉर यू, राइट? आपको कंसिस्टेंट रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सिर्फ एक दिन 14 घंटे ना पढ़ के अगर आप 4 घंटे रोज पढ़ेंगे, दैट वुड ऑलवेज बी द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी, है ना। तो रोज आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम देना है. Thank you so much for staying tuned in this session. I hope you have enjoyed the class. I'll see you all in the next class, which is CA class on Monday. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.